5 common WhatsApp problems on iPhone and how to fix them. If you are experiencing problem with WhatsApp on your iPhone, don't worry. We will explore 5 common issues and provide you with solution to fix them. Number 1. WhatsApp not connecting to the internet. You can check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. But if the issue persists, you can try restarting your iPhone or try to reinstalling the WhatsApp app. Number 2. WhatsApp not sending or receiving messages. You can check your internet connection and make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. You can check on App Store. Then on the searching bar, you can type WhatsApp and then check if your WhatsApp is on the latest version. But if the issue still persists, you can try restarting your iPhone or try to reinstalling the WhatsApp app. Number 3. WhatsApp crashes or freezes. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp and check if there are any pending app updates on your iPhone. If the issue persists, you can try restarting your iPhone or reinstalling WhatsApp. Number 4. WhatsApp notification not working. Go to Setting and then to Notification. And make sure the notifications are enabled. After that, you can make sure your iPhone is not on Do Not Disturb mode. You can check it on your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, then tap on this. Make sure it's not on Do Not Disturb mode. If this issue still persists, same. Try restarting your iPhone and reinstalling the WhatsApp. And lastly, number 5, if WhatsApp backup not working, you can go to Setting and then select Chat and then select the Chat backup and make sure Auto backup is turned on, like daily, weekly, or monthly. It's up to you. And also make sure you have enough storage on iCloud. How to do this? Open iPhone setting and then on setting you can tap on iCloud. Or maybe you can type it on searching bar, iCloud. Then make sure the iCloud backup is turned on. If the issue still persists, try restarting your iPhone or reinstalling the WhatsApp. And that's it for our video on 5 common WhatsApp problems on iPhone and how to fix them. We hope this solution helped you fix any issue you may be experiencing with WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and bye!